Hello everyone, today I will show you how can you secure your home network. With this video you will learn how to block all the malicious site, harmful site and adult site. So for that we have to go to the browser. Then we have to type OpenDNS, then enter. Okay, so the first site is www.opendns.com. we have to click on that. Okay, so we have to scroll down, and there is two options. One is enterprise security and one is consumer. So we are not going to this enterprise security, we are choosing this consumer option. So we have to click on this learn more. Okay, so we have to scroll down. So here is four option. One is OpenDNS Family Shield, OpenDNS Home, OpenDNS VIP and OpenDNS Umbrella Pro Summer. So first two are free, and the OpenDNS Home VIP and OpenDNS Umbrella Pro Summer is premium. One is for $19.95 per year, and one is $20 per year. So we are going for OpenDNS Home, that is free. So we have to sign up. So let's sign up. Okay, so here are some option about here are some details about OpenDNS. You can read it. Okay, so we have to full this information here. First we have to give a email address, so we are giving it. So we have to confirm our email address now. Okay. So now you have to select your country. I am from Bangladesh, so I am selecting Bangladesh. You have to select your own country. Then you have to create a password. So I am creating a random password. Then you have to confirm that password. Then click get a free account. So we have fulfill all the information. Now we have to create a account here. So let's click get a free account. Okay, so our account has created. Here is thanks for they are giving us thanks for choosing OpenDNS. So now we have to change this name server, DNS name server on our PC. You can also change your name server on your home network on router also. So those who don't know about DNS basically a domain name system, like you are typing youtube.com, so it's going to YouTube, but browser don't know about youtube.com. You know youtube.com, but browser know the IP address of this site. Browser basically, when you type youtube.com, browser get the IP address from the name of youtube.com, and he go there, so you get the youtube.com. So with this OpenDNS, we will block those harmful domain name, and those domain name is not good for our family. We will block them. So here is our domain name server. We have to change on our PC. So first of all, we have to copy this name server. Okay, let's copy first. Now we have to go to the desktop setting option. Then we have to click on network and internet. Okay, so now we have to click on change adapter option, then click on Wi-Fi, then go to properties. Okay. So now we have to go to the internet protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. We have to click on that. Okay, so in your computer this will be check mark obtain DNS name server address automatically. This will be check mark, so you have to click on this. Use the following DNS name server address. You have to click on this and fulfill you have to fulfill this DNS name server that we have already created here. So we have to manually put this name server there. So first okay, so we have to manually put those name server 208, then 67, wait a second, then 67, then 222. We have already 222, then 222. Okay, then 222. Okay, then next so we have to fulfill the alternative DNS server also. Okay, so 20867 I have already fulfilled on appointment time, so I am doing it now also. Okay, so last is 220. Then okay, and close. Okay, so this will take some time. Let me show you how can you configure if you are a smartphone device user, then how can you configure your mobile phone or a smartphone device. So let's click on this. Okay, so you have to choose. Here is many option, you can choose those to know how you can configure. Like if you are a iOS device user like iPhone, then you can click here to know how you can configure your iPhone with OpenDNS. Here is all the option you can configure with configure your iPhone. So we are not showing this today. Okay, so our computer is now secure from malicious software and harmful software and adult content also. So we have already create a account. So we have to verify the account on OpenDNS. For that we have to go to the email we have fulfill on the account when we create the account. So go to gmail.com. So here is our OpenDNS confirm registration confirm email. So click on that. Okay, so we have to confirm our registration. We have already show you that we have put this email on the website. So they have send our mail on this site. If you want to secure your email, then I have another video you can show it. So let's click this link and confirm our registration on OpenDNS website. So our account has created successfully. So here is welcome our email address. Okay, so now we have to go to the our account. Okay, so you can fulfill this information. I am not doing for that. So we have successfully added our IP address, our laptop IP address on OpenDNS. So let's click on this IP address. Okay, so you can also customize your security level with high, moderate, low and custom. So we choose moderate. Okay, so protect against all adult related site and illegal activities. So moderate also block all the site. You can also choose high. So let's see what is the difference between high and moderate. So high is blocking in 27 categories and it's blogging for 14 categories. So let's see what's their blogging. So they are blogging on block this kind of site. So let's see on moderate option. Okay, so they're blogging on this. So let's view on moderate. So moderate also blogging website and adult related site on 14 categories. So let's apply. Okay, allot 3 minutes for preference. Okay, so 3 minutes it's need 3 minutes to configure that all. You can also manually block any site if you want. So let's check our configuration is going well also. So let's block youtube.com. from our network. So let's block youtube.com. For that we have to type the domain name .com. Then we have to click on add domain. Okay, so youtube.com it's giving us some hints. So we have to I want to block youtube.com, add domain. Okay, so yes, add it. Okay, so the domain has blocked, youtube.com is blocked. So let's check youtube.com is blocked or not. youtube.com. Okay, so youtube.com is still going on, so it takes some time. So it's take up to 2 to 3 years to configure the DNS. So
hours.
You have to wait 2 to 3 years for configuration the DNS. Then all the site will be blocked. You can test all those sites. We have I have seen. I have already shown you how you can, if you have any site that you want to block, you can manually block it, and you can also choose this option. So now is the question is why you use OpenDNS. OpenDNS basically a free DNS filtering system. So you should use, because it's updated day by day by its user. They if any harmful site or adult site added on internet, then the user of OpenDNS make a feedback on the OpenDNS site, and they add this site to the block list. So if you use OpenDNS, then you not have to add it manually. So here is a big benefit to use OpenDNS. And the thing is, in our family there are many kids using our phone, laptop, so we have to secure that they are not seeing any adult content or not going any harmful website. So OpenDNS is the best source for you to protect your home network. So thank you for watching this video.